Hello dear 3D enthusiasts, my name's Albert, and in this tutorial series I'd like to acquaint you with ZBrush. Simply put, it's a design software for creating 3D geometries. These are then utilized, for instance, in video games, animated cartoons, movies with special effects, documentaries, or perhaps even in explainer videos and infographics. ZBrush is a truly very comprehensive and, in terms of application areas, extremely powerful software. I want to start simply with the software interface and take you step by step through each component of the program. First, let's look at how geometry is created. Then we'll familiarize ourselves with editing this geometry, taking a look at the brush palette and examining some helpful techniques along the way that contribute to achieving rapid results, thus enabling an efficient workflow. Our primary goal here is to effectively handle and diligently complete all our varied assigned projects by the final conclusion of this entire series. The information I'm sharing with you today stems from significant experience. If they help any of you, my purpose and thus the goal of this video series is already achieved. So let's get started with the interface. Have fun and good luck, everyone.